You need the new outro at the beginning. Yeah, I can change that. I just like the 10-minute countdown though, so then I have time to to keep looking at charts and scalpies, like the 10-minute countdown is cool because then I could do some other stuff. Good morning, Jaspreet. Be okay. Good morning. Why is SPY bouncing? Because they had news this morning, non-farm numbers. I think it's less to do with that and more to do with just it was time to bounce. Virus, good morning. Jordan, good morning. Jacob, good morning. Jay, good morning. A, good morning. Oleg, good morning. Paul, good morning. Jay, good morning. Happy Friday. Jay Vera, happy Friday. Jerome, good morning. Natalia, good morning. Mr. Clark, good morning. River, good morning. Hello, hello. Lizzie, good morning. Yeah, it was time for dipskis, right? So yeah, again, this is at least that was our hope in Discord, right? Look at the daily chart for the S&P. We just talked about this yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, right? So look at this. That's exactly the arrow we drew. We drew this arrow yesterday, right? And that's exactly what's happened today. So at least that was the hope, right? So yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, oh yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That's because it's a 4-hour candle. That's why. 4-hour candle. Let's see. 1 second, guys. 1 second. 10 a.m. in the morning. 10 a.m. What about? What about? One second. I just need to create that list again, I guess. It's a lot of work. Somewhere. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't like those ones. Perfect. Saints, good morning. X, good morning. Puts and calls. Let's go, Raven. Let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Obviously, we're gonna watch the S&P as time goes on. I'm gonna switch back to a smaller time frame. All-time high for the S&P, by the way, is 574.71. So for anybody that's wondering, so there's still a little bit of room to before we get there, right? We're still on the upper side of the range. If you bought those MU calls, congratulations, right? You just have to decide what to do with them at the open. You know, um, you just have to say, you know what, am I going to take my gains or do I keep them? That's completely up to you, though. I need access to the go 8 p.m. Okay. Should be good now, I think. Should be good. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, looks like MU actually looks really nice. Yeah, looks really nice actually. You know what oh wow, look at MU go, guys. Dang. That thing is gonna open at 105, isn't it? Woof! My goodness. My goodness. I'm really yeah. Hmm. We're gonna have a lot of fun with the we're gonna have a lot of fun with the swing channel, huh? I know we've only done options for now. People were asking like, "Hey, I thought this swing channel was meant to be for everything." Well, there's been some smaller caps in there, but we've mostly just done options for now. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Let's go. MU is on fire this morning. Shish. Yeah, I think yeah, there's gonna be some nice monies this morning, virus. Some very nice monies. Uh, yeah, very very nice. So teamwork is gonna make the dream work in that channel. You know, from small caps to options and whatever else. It's gonna be amazing. PEV looks really nice, guys. It's approaching that supply zone again, right? But really nice push on this one. So congratulations. Oh wow, Ford is dang. Did you guys see that? Wow, 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 wow. Was there even a catalyst on that thing? Because I don't think there was there? Let me take a look. That's Nvidia, by the way. Nvidia is almost at 125 again. Obviously, with the markets gapping up, probably gap up and sell off. Huh? Tesla resistance to FORD. Yeah, I don't see any news on this. It just went from like 360 all the way to $6 without a catalyst. Huh? PLL. Okay. Others that don't know, yeah. So the golden candle is meant to. It's there for like like it's just another thing, another tool that's there to signal reversal. So when a stock is pumping, 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 and you see the golden candle, it's there on both directions, right? So let me show you as an example on this stock, right? So this is the golden candle right there. What that's telling you is based on, so what it uses, it's measuring it, it's an equation based on the last nine candles. So what it's telling you is when you get that golden candle, right? So anytime you get a golden candle, it's trying to tell you that okay, it thinks now that whichever direction that stock was going in, it's going to reverse and go the opposite way, right? So for example, it's going down, 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 and then you get the golden candle with the green number 9 below it. What it's telling you is, hey, it's time to pop, right? And then same thing on the way up, right? When it's going up, 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 and you get the golden candle with the red number 9 on top of it, it's saying, hey, I think it's time to go back down, right? It's again, not sure how far down we go, but it's just there as another tool, right? So I wouldn't just use that as the, you know, and all and be all, right? I would use that as another signal. Like if we're at resistance and then you get the golden candle, okay, cool. Like that's my second confirmation, right? If we're at support and you get the golden candle, it's like, oh, okay, we're at support. It's trying to curl. I have the golden candle. You know what? Let me try this, right? So, because you never really want to just use one thing and say, okay, you know what? This is it. That's all I'm using, right? Because then you could get yourself in trouble. It's just like people that use the RSI only, right? You can't just use the RSI. Like, that's not good enough, right? So, welcomes. PEV. That was a nice push. Virus magic. Magic. No, 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 no. I like that GIF. Like it doesn't matter who uses it. I like the GIF virus. No, 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 no. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done, Jericho. Well done. Well done. Well done, skis. Two, 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 two. Okay, there we go. Crypto, Kaizen, let's go to the moon, please. Thank you for the super chat, Crypto. Thank you. Let's go. I wasn't gonna show up on stream today, guys. If MU wasn't pushing, I wasn't gonna show up today. You know, because because Dan was gonna hunt me in Canada. Uh, so again, if you're slacking on the swing channel in Discord, guys, stop slacking, right? So come join us because we're making some monies, right? So yeah. Wait, why does it look like that? Oh, okay, never mind. Anyway, so that was a good swing if you took it, right? There was enough time to take that swing and do a little bit of research, right? And a nice, beautiful gap up on those calls. So yeah, and then you could just manage them however you see fit, right? So um, already, already. Maybe that's something that I need to remind people of though, like um, uh, uh, doo, doo, doo. Uh, and into the no, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, just so everybody's on the same page then. Good morning, Richie. Good morning, good morning. Is there any yellow candles on NCNC? No, there isn't. There's nothing. It is holding 20 cents though. JBDI looks kind of similar too, right? Around $1.15. Good support. No pops yet though. BENF, not a bad looking stock. And then of course we have PEV. PEV was nice last night. My goodness, I don't know. I mean, we've probably seen something move this quickly, but when the news came out on this stock last night, this is why I keep saying like, hey, like always pay attention to after hours. You never know, right? When the news came out on this thing last night, somebody said cook, right? And I've also said this multiple times. Like you don't have to play the first wave. How many times have I said this on stream, guys, on all these calls and these videos that are recorded in the education channel? How to play pre-market, how to play after hours. Do not play the first wave if you're not confident, right? Because what do we say, right? Because we promise you that the second wave will be better than the first wave, right? This is the first wave after the news came out, right? I don't really care for the first wave because I've been scammed too many times because I don't know what the headline actually means, right? Look at that first wave, and then the dip, and then the second break. Ooh, somebody call Santa. Somebody call Santa. Because at that point, it's cooking. At that point, it's gonna go. At that point, it is not stopping, right? 200% rally. I mean, more than that at the very, very tops, right? So pretty impressive. Ready? Pretty impressive. So yup. Okay, back to where we're actually at now. So let's see if we can get back above $1 at some point. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and all the other fun things. Alrighty, cool. Yeah. Okay, let me. Uh, okay, and then what other stocks do we like here? Copy. Okay, perfect. Is there a video, Will? Yes, there is. In the Bull Bear How To channel in Discord, there's a video. The very last video in that channel is a video on how like I have my trading view set up. And then if you go to the Discord calls recap channel, there's a video that we did on just like trading view in general, like how do you draw the lines, how do you add pre-market after hours, how do you add indicators, how do you do this, how do you create a watch list, how do you set alerts, right? So there's a general video in there in the it might be in the education channel as well in Discord. Right, I just again, and then how I set up my charts, it's in the bull bear how to channel in Discord. Yeah, so maybe I know you're new to Discord. Yeah, so maybe spend the weekend just going through, some of the channels. I would say again, I always recommend if you're a new member, take a few seconds, go through every single channel, so then you know exactly what's in, which is. You most likely don't have all the channels well, because you're, yeah, because of like it depends on your membership level, but yeah. So there you go. MU said, "Hey guys, I give you dipskis into the open, right?" So that thing just lost some of the gains because we just don't go to the hangout general, please. Right, so please. Anyways, so BENF still looks okay there. Lion, it seems to be finding a bit of support at $2. And then PEV is also failing at resistance. So most of these stocks are failing at resistance. NCNC is holding that 20 cents still, so that's good. Same thing with JBDI, also holding that demand zone. Ford with a crazy pop from where I don't know, and then it's dipping a little bit, and then Nvidia is just sitting there. AO T strong, AO. Um, but yeah, question for you guys in the chat. With 26 seconds to go, what's your favorite stock going into the open, guys? What is your favorite stock going into the open? What is your favorite stock? Virus. Both at support. Okay, there we go. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay. Find the base. Okay, perfect. Perfect. BENF, PW, Anch. Okay. BENF. Sounds good. I figured. Um, so it looks like it's getting a bit of a sell-off for now. I don't think anybody's really concerned about this first candle though. So let's see if we can end up closing this candle above $2. And if we do, then that's okay. Ready? So if not, we might go back down and retest the bottom of that range at the view app. But for now, it looks okay to me still. PEV also testing that demand zone and bouncing at 82 cents. So if it stays above that, that's okay as well. And then we have that supply zone in the 90s, right? So not bad. And then it looks like SPY is dipping a little bit, and people are locking in some gains on MU because that's a pretty nice gap up, isn't it? Right? And then Nvidia is just sitting there, and it looks like Ford is curling a little bit. I don't know if I trust that stock yet, just because that was an aggressive push without really, catalyst. So just be patient with it. Alrighty. Again, market open, guys. It's Friday. Friday. Right. So just sit on your hands if you need to. Take a second, right? Let these things consolidate a little bit. I would say that BENF is still number one. In terms of like price action here at the open, right? So, but let's give it time to see what happens already. ADTX is on the move. I'll take a look in a second. So I want to see what happens here at $2, and then PV again. Let's see, right? 103.50 still for MU. So it dropped $1 from the top, and let's see if we stay above the 200 EMA there. Sell off. BENF trying. So again, I would say this is still our number one name for now, but no need to rush. Alrighty, no need to rush. Yeah, ADTX, that was a nice pop, wasn't it? I'm gonna need to pull that up in a second here. No crawls yet, but it really needs to, really needs to. Let me take a look at ADTX and then KZN. Nice pop. And then KXIN. Okay. I'm surprised none of these names are halted, but ADTX does look nice though. Come on, BENF. Are you gonna give us a green candle? It's like, yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. See, I think the problem here is we're still quite far away from the VWAP. So let's see. Anyways, there goes our green candle. We're trying to at least. There's a lot of selling pressure there. That's the problem when you go below all the moving averages. Is like it's usually a problem to get above all of them. So that looks interesting, right? See, we stay above $2, and then ADTX is not stopping. That thing's like, hey, let me cook. It's Friday. Who wants sandwiches? Okay, perfect. Sheesh. Yeah, I think AJ is smiling with this one, isn't he? Because I'm pretty sure he's in there. He's smiling, smiling, smiling. Hmm. It's always a bit difficult though, like when it's pumping already like this and you're not in it, and the market's been open for 5 minutes less. Yeah. So let's see what happens here. BENF again, really not giving us anything, right? You're done for the day already, virus. Ooh, wee. So there goes BENF. This is why, again, you can have expectations coming into the open, but it's really. How many times did I say really? Really important that you're patient at the open on any given day, right? Be very patient. You need to see the curls. You need to see the curl back above the nine, above something, right? Or at least it's like I said earlier, way too far away from the view app, right? So let's see if we can find a way to consolidate. Ready? Let's see. La, 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 la. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. EVGO said, "Ayo, 7." Yeah, that thing is a beauty. Yeah, it looks like it just wants to go for that $7. It just wanted to go for that $7 price target, huh? That's impressive. That is very impressive. Do, 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 do. Very impressive. Uh, you're done. Have a great weekend too, Knowles. Well done. Yeah. This is why it's important that some people wake up early in pre-market because you can find some really good opportunities there. You know, some very good opportunities. Okay, NCNC. Did that thing break below? Yeah. So no signs of holding support there on that thing. JBDI is very similar. Like it's just sitting there. It's holding $1.10 for now, to $1.05. But yeah, we'll see what that thing ends up doing. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Okay, there you go. Exactly. Nose. I think that's beautiful. You hit the goal and you walk away, right? PLL. Okay, I'll take a look, Virus. I take a look. Yeah, I just wanna get rid of this scalp piece, and then I'll look. Here we go. Here we go. Give me my monies, please. Give me my monies. Today, I just want my monies. That's it. Not asking for anything more. So that $2 looks like we might actually come back and retest that level for a second time, but let's see. A little bit of resistance. $2. $2. PLL. I'll take a look, Virus. I'll take a look. Come on, give us a break above $2, you slacker. 2198. Yeah, so $2 resistance on this one. Alrighty. So yeah, $2 resistance there. Let's see if it gives us a higher low or double bottom, and then we can go from there. JBDI is still sitting there. PEV looks like it's consolidating at 77-ish. MU's all the way back to 104, guys, right? So that was a pretty nice gap up at the open, right? People took profits. Surprise, not really. So and now it's recovering with the S&P just sitting there nicely. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Like it. So good recovery there. And then again, BENF needs to clear that 9 EMA now, or come back and give us a second test, which it looks like that's what it wants to do, right? So we'll see what that thing ends up doing there. EVGO's done really well as a swing play, right? And then ADTX looks like it's finally stalling at 305. So maybe a higher low as well, a retest, and then go from there. So we shall see. Was something halted? Oh, okay. It's interesting. Very, very interesting. Ford is halted up. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what it was. For some reason, that thing is a bit sus, Megan. Sus. Anyways, okay, let's see if we can get back above the 9 here on this thing. Can we get above the 9, Ben F? Come on now, 97, 98. Give it to us. Uh huh. 199, $2 going once, going twice, and sold to Virus. Yeah, so $2 is resistance here. That is just struggling at. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, so that $2 level is pretty strong. It seems. 98, 99 again. Are we gonna break it? Oh, strong. Things like nope, you shall not pass. You shall not pass. Let's see. Okay. Actually, maybe it's gonna do it now. There it goes. That was a quick blip, wasn't it? I think so. You want $2? Here you go. You can take your $2 and run away. Anyways, so $2 resistance. Like, okay, here we go. Let me take a look at PLL. Oh, wasn't this the virus? Oh, I remember. I remember. Virus, you want to know something interesting? uh, oh wow, they've never done a split actually. So this was the first ever DD video I ever did on YouTube, by the way. First ever DD video I did on the YouTubes. Yeah. So it was around, I don't know what it was at. But this was like, I don't know, 2019. I don't know when this was. But anyways, I think it was around this massive run here, because they had this deal with Tesla for lithium batteries. Um, so and it did, this thing crushed it. It went all the way to like $90. Big money behind this. Yeah, yeah. Like this stock is cooked multiple times. So yeah, yeah. This daily looks nice too, though, doesn't it? Shush. These guys have options, do they? I feel like they do. Maybe. And then that supply zone at $12, 12.50, almost like every 50 cents virus. $12, 11.50, $12, 12.50, $13 in that supply zone. Looks nice though. Looks very nice. 11.14. I'm gonna set an alert at 11.14 for when it's pushing to that high again. Set an alert. And just like that, it's broken above already, virus. Very impressive. It skips though. Skips. It doesn't look like PEV is giving us any hope, does it? Right. So there's really nothing to see here. Right. Zero. Below the 200, below the VWAP, below all the moving averages, nothing to see. Right. So that thing looks nasty. Nasty. Everything kind of looks sus this morning though, doesn't it? Like they're all gapping up and selling off. You know, all of them, all of them. Let's see. Let's see what. Let's actually see what. I want to see what BENF does here. See if we can consolidate around $1.80. Uh, 19 on the 4 hour. Yeah, it does. Then it does. It really does. Maybe as the day goes on though, because those were pretty nice gap ups in the market. So I bet you these names are all just kind of retracing for now in the morning, and then let's see how the rest of the day goes. Come on now, give us round two, round two, round two. Fight. That's an interesting block. Okay. Very interesting. Okay. Yeah, someone's selling a lot of shares at 87. 87. Come on. Don't worry. Virus is gonna buy all those shares. Jeez, that's a lot of shares. Who's this hater? Huh. It's a lot of shares. Don't worry. Virus is gonna buy all the shares. Nope. That's very interesting. Yeah, that's a lot of shares there. That's a lot of shares. Over $2, Paul. Yeah, no resistance. Too much. You can always see like when these guys want the stock to go down is how they just move the blocks lower. Like you see a massive block at 87, and then they move it to 86, and then they move it to 85, and they just keep dropping it. And then until that block is gone or removed, it's a problem, isn't it? It's a problem. So let's see what happens there. Come on now. Who do we need to call? Grim? Come on, Grim. Bring the monies. Bring the monies, Grim. That's a lot of oh yeah. Then you can see them like moving it to 85. Ooh. Moving. Just wait till China wakes up. The market on. I know. What I don't know what's happening there. There we go. Come on, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Otherwise, if this thing goes below 180, then it's dead. But now, though, come on, Dan. Enemies in sights, Dan. Man the cannons. Pull out your swords. Someone get out and push. Come on, man the cannons. Enemies in sight. Pirates aboard. Attack, attack. There we go, guys. Attack. Let's see. Attack. It's working. It's working. It's working, guys. Attack. Now here comes the view app though. Here comes a little view apps. Okay. Uh, Attack. Let's go, Joe. Good morning. Good morning. Come on now. We do need to close above the 20. We do need to close above the 20, and then we can cook after that. Perhaps. Perhaps. Again, we can pick the bottom, which we did, right? We can pick the bottom. That signal was at the bottoms. The question is, do we get the volume though to push above resistance? Well, Jill, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right? We can pick the bottoms. We can pick where the volume comes in, right? So yeah, we do need to close above 192, and if we do, and then I think we're going to go back and test $2. Really, Dan? Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why I'm not really. Oh my goodness, what the hell? What's happening? How is the market this slow after gapping up? But honestly, I'm happy it's not dipping though. If we can close above 570, I think I'm happy. 84 out of 89 Doche. Okay, sounds good. Nice little scalpy, right? Scalpy. Stop loss hit. I like that you move your stop loss aggressively high though. If that thing doesn't want to cook, then don't take a loss, right? Don't take a loss. But I'm still hoping that we can attack here though. Man the cannons, guys. Enemies in sight. They're not gonna know what hit them. There we go, 94. Man the cannons. Enemies in sight. Come on. Dan, pull out the cannon. Pull out the cannon. Put some flames in it. And put some bird poop in there too. You know? Put a whole bunch of poop in there for the shorts. Come on, attack. So now we need to close above the 20 EMA here. And then if we do, then we can finally push back to $2. Slacker. There we go. Saikai. Spy's terrible. Like it looks very slow, Jax. Very, very slow. You want to learn how to trade, Jose? Become a gold member. Yeah, very, very slow there. So we'll see. Yeah, the S&P looks very slow. Very, very slow. So good thing it had that run. Jill? Yeah, right? Good thing it had that run early in the morning though. Spy. That was a nice pop when that data came out. That was very, very, very nice. I know as soon as Jax shows up in the chat, then it's violence. Unbelievable. Anyways, here goes the S&P to retest the 71 at least. 71. Okay, back to our favorite name for now. Alrighty, as long as we stay above 180, BENF is our favorite name. Ready? Like little rabbit pallets. Rubbish. Come on. Ben, are you seeing what's happening, Ben F? If you don't rally, then I'm gonna end up being roasted. Please. Please go. Please. We need something to pump so then I'm not, so I don't get roasted. Please. Please. Let's go, Raven. There we go. 94. Come on. Who's holding this stock back? We need to send them some bird poop. There we go. 95. Come on now. That's it? That's all you have in the tank? Unbelievable. Come on now. There we go. Come on. Push it. Love it. Love it. Yeah, $2 is a big obstacle for that stupid stock. So, but you could have scalped that thing twice already though, of the bottoms there. Of the bottoms. You get feisty? I have the sweet one. Well, I mean, let's. Well, you're not wrong. Yes. PLL looks nice still, Virus. Very, very good. Very, very good. If we can close above the 50 now, it's only a matter of time before we cook. But that 50 is gonna act as a bit of resistance. Oh my day, Spy! Damn, Jax, did you get some feature short? I hope you did, because that thing basically just T-Rex to the abyss. Like T-Rex, so is MU, right? MU still at 103, way like quite a ways away from the level that we played with yesterday. But the S&P obviously isn't helping all of these bigger names. Not helping at all. You made, yeah, let's go. Shorts, Jacks. Well then, BURU. Okay, sounds good. Of sale around $2 and a wall. Yeah, exactly. $2 is a big obstacle for this thing. So I don't know if it's actually going to break above it though. But like I said, as long as we stay above $2, there's still a chance. Above $1.80, there's still a chance. Right. The question is, will the volume actually come in though, so it can go boom skis? Will the volume actually come in so we can go boom skis? There we go. 50% Trashla. Let's go. Money's in Trashla. That's the best vibes. There you go. Yeah, looks like PEV finally crossed back above the 9, it seems. Right. Let's see how far we can push to, especially with the supply zone around 81, 82 and already. So let's see how far that thing can push up. And then we go from there. Yeah, not bad. Just again, be mindful that you're sitting in a bit of a weird spot. I wonder if this is just a bit of a retest or to 570 for the S&P and then back up. I think that's more of a hopeful statement. More hopeful than anything else. You know, coming right back down. What's still low? 69.88. Oh wow. Sheesh. Retest these. Weakness. Oh my goodness. Spy, how are you gonna do us like this? The S&P is still up $2 though. So let's see. Any thoughts on Palantir? I don't have any thoughts. I don't have any thoughts for Palantir. Palantir is a straight monster. That thing was sent from like the past to hunt all the people that like buy puts and short the stock. Because that thing only knows one direction, and that's up. So yeah, $40 would be a pretty big wall though. The all-time high for this thing is $45. So be very careful, right? I would say $40 after like this thing has been running like this. If you're in a position, fine. If you're not, I don't. I'd be very careful. Yeah. So I would say down to your question, random stuff. I'd say down until we break above $40 and then up. Alrighty. So I would say down from $40 and then go from there. Yeah, pretty good run though. Like Palantir has been a beauty, an absolute beauty. Right. My 200 shares from last summer I had for Palantir. Are you sure it's the right stock? Because I don't think Palantir ever went to $2. Maybe it did. Maybe I'm just forgetting. But $2? Dang! Wow. Why'd you sell it? What did you do with the money? Is the better question. Is the better question. And Spy is still getting still playing with 570 here. $5.70. Save with a bit of a balance, it seems. Meh, meh. Well, at least you guys are getting some volatility though from the S&P now, so that's good. So you can scalp futures. Scalp futures. Yeah, really impressive run on this one by PLL. BENF is still playing in that range, guys, right? So again, I would really like to see a double bottom or just a higher low, because if not, I think we're done with it. Palantir doesn't give a damn, guys. Look at that thing go again. My goodness. Like there's zero weakness on this thing. Zero weakness on this stock. Zero. No weakness at all. Only strength. Anyways, so We are forming a bit of a higher low on this thing, right? So we keep coming back close to that into that signal range, right? 85 to 80 cents. We keep coming back and then bouncing, so that's a good thing. Well, that thing is going to need to push at some point because if we come back here the third time, Lord have mercy, you're gonna need all of Jax's beauty and smile to get this thing to pump at that point if we come back down, you know. Anyways, yeah, so Palantir is back to $40 it seems. Come on now, BENF. How much come on now. Go 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 go. Save. Interesting. Tesla. 91. uh wow, look at PLL still virus. That thing has a bit of a weird spread though, but Palantir is about to hit new 52-week highs. Actually, it just did. It just did new highs. He decided to be nice this morning. I'm always nice. Always. Always nice. Always nice. Let's see. Mm-mm. Yeah. Come on now. Give us something. Give us something. 89. We better keep these higher lows. Get back above 90. It's now or never, Mr. Stock. BlackRock is behind them. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. 91, 92. It's now or never, Mr. Stock. Come on now. 93. Now or 94. Let's go. Come on now. Go, 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 go. Paul, are you still in this thing? Or you long or short? You took your gains already. Will it retest G90? What's your position? Please don't tell me you're in at 82 cents and you're waiting for it to get to 82 cents. What's your position in that play? It got pretty close, right? And like I said earlier, be careful at 81, 82, right? Resistance. So, yeah, you can see though. You can see what the problem is here, though, right, guys? That little orange line you're looking at. That orange line is a hitter, right? That little 50 EMA there, it's a hitter. So BENF needs to break out. Now or never, Ben. Don't make us come find you. That's not what I want, is it? That is not what I want. Okay. Sheesh, what an annoying stonk. What an annoying stonk. Are we going to fail at $40? We actually broke about $40 in Palantir, 40 or 3. SPY with a bit of a bounce back to 71. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, the 50 EMA is the hater. Look at that, right? Another fail. Surprise. And again, we keep saying like this is why we put these lines on here, because you never know on any given day which line the stock is going to decide to fail at, right? So since you're in it, Jeffrey, don't worry, Jeffrey. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just wait till China wakes up. You know, just wait till China wakes up. Yeah. And someone picks up viruses called from Dubai, you know, then you're gonna see violence. Yeah, no, Palantir looks nice. NCNC looks like it finally bounced up 1750. Yeah, and Palantir is failing at $40. And the S&P is just there, just there. 265 ADTX. Let me pull that up. EVGL looks okay still. It seems bounce up the $206.20. ADTX. That was EVGL. Yeah, a little bit of support above 260. 260, yeah. Let's go, Fair. Make sure. Good job. Yeah, you're scalping the range, right? Which is perfect, right? Perfect. Scalping the vibes. Oof. Look at SPY go, guys. SPY is dragging MU with it. And so the S&P is not helping. Not helping at all. If we go from green to red, then that'd be very sad, very, very sad on SPY. Very, very sad. Then I think it's gonna be telling us that, maybe we're gonna go below that 565 we've been holding. But we'll see. It's Trashla. My goodness, everything just looks sus this morning. Everything just sus. Earnings whisper. There you go. Let's go, Jericho. Let's go. Yeah, it's just playing in that range for now, from the low 80s to the 90s. So if at some point it breaks below, then you have a problem. If it breaks above, then it's Christmas. Ford just hit new highs there. Ford, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm quite surprised this thing is behaving as nicely as it is. There's a double top at $6 though, but yeah, not bad. Right? No, this is Ford as in like a different company. I thought it was a pharmaceutical company, but it's so not the Ford as in the car company. Joe, come on now, Ben. This is your our only hope, Ben. Come on, we don't have any other hope, Ben. We want to be nice to Ben. Come on, Ben. We don't have any other hope. Come on. If you're still in Ben, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in Ben, type in yes in the chat. Yeah. Come on, Ben. Right? Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Do you guys know what I'm about to play for you? All of you guys saying yes? You're all in Ben? Ben looks nice though. Ben is looking better, guys. Ben is looking better. But before we move on though, before we move on, right? All of you guys saying yes. Okay? I want to play a video for you guys. Okay?
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Pepe Julian Onzima. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good
having
morning.
me. Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay. You are a transgender.
What shows that I'm gay?
You are a transgender, and
Yes,
you're
I
a
am.
gay rights activist and an outspoken
Okay, that's it. I just wanted to play you guys that part, you know? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So all of you guys saying yes, yes, I'm in Ben. I'm in Ben. I like it. But my goodness, Ben, look at that. Like we're fighting to get up there, but we like that candle went to 98. That last candle. Why are you gay? Huh? No, again. It's really trying. We like for some reason it just doesn't want to break out. Right? So let's see if we can keep fighting, I guess. So, but if you sold that thing anyway close to $2, I'm sure you're happy. Bradley, are you sure that's why you want to watch this video? Huh? I'm kidding. I'll send it to you. Yeah, we're just in a stupid range for now on BENF, huh? Like it's just up and down and up and down. A bit silly. Doo-doo-doo. 12. Okay, perfect. uh, doo-doo-doo. This matter that got to order. La, 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 la. Your levels. There we go. 96 guys. Let's go, baby. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't be gay, Ben. I'm kidding, by the way, you know? It's a motivated to go, right, KB? For some reason, that thing, somebody is holding it back. Like every time we get close to $2, somebody's like, nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. There we go, Ben. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Ben. You can do it. We believe in you. 98. Come on, Ben. Just give us a nice boomski candle. Now that we finally closed above the 50, huh? Sheesh. Somebody's like, nope. Ayo, Grim. Okay, Grim is here, guys. It's time to cook. It's now or never, Ben. Now or never. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about that. Okay, perfect. Now or never, Ben. Okay. Now or never. Grim is here. It's time for the violence. 99. Come on now. $2. Now or never. There's a nice little block at like $2 and that level's gonna regret ever meeting us, you know. Uh, okay, there we go. Infinity. Ben. The YouTube link. Okay, this is the link. I'm gonna copy the link and send it to you guys in the chat, Bunny and Brad. That's the link at the bottom of the chat. Okay, back to Ben. I'm surprised you guys haven't seen that one yet. It's been around for quite some time now. Depending on I already. Let's go. Come on, Jericho. Yeah, don't forget to post your weekly that nice little chart you have set up in testimonial again, Jericho. That's very nice. I like that. My daily goal extra 192. Stay greedy, not greedy. I've learned my lesson after multiple greedy plays from Tuesday. Love it. Well done. That's amazing, Jericho. Keep cooking, please. Keep cooking. Yeah, Ford looks like it's creeping up towards 6 again, and the S&P is still playing up there, playing games with us. And Ben doesn't want to stay above $2, I guess. You know? Yeah. Cause oh my god, I caught a VEV at the bottom. Social media is a funny place, isn't it? I bought the bottom, guys, and then Boomskis crashed to the abyss. Shish. Funny. Funny. Endless entertainment is right. Is it me or does today feel scammy? No, today does feel scammy. Pre-market was nice today, but after the open though, it feels very scammy. Again, it's Friday though, right? Sometimes it's like that on Fridays. So again, Ben is our only hope for today, right? I don't like anything else other than Ben. Now somebody type in the chat, why are you gay? But so there we go, Ben. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, Ben. You can do it. There we go. Back to $2. What a slacker. Like, why is $2 such a problem? You are gay. How, Brad? How? Come on. Shish. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Ben is like, I am not gay. You are gay, Ben, unless you go above $2.10. You know? Come on. There we go. Unless you go above $2.10, Ben, you are gay. Anyways. Anyways. 205, guys. There we go. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it. There we go, Ben. Anyways, if you're still holding Ben, if you're still in Ben, guys, type in yes in the chat. If you're still in Ben, make sure again you're moving your stop losses higher though, please. Right? We like Ben, but we also know Ben is Ben is trying to prove that it's not, Anyways. Jeffrey says, yeah, buddy, let's go. Make monies, please. Move your stop losses higher. Right? Again, Ben is the only thing that doesn't look sus to me. So at some point, Ben is gonna be sus. Sounds like a dirty party. I'm putting a sell limit at there we go. See, Ben is like, oh, I'm gonna go to $2.10, guys, because I'm not gay. Watch that be the top. Watch that be the top. Hopefully not. But we said, hey Ben, if you're not gay, go to $2.10. Well, Ben just went to 210. If that's the top, it's gonna be funny. Shamir, oh, there we go, Ben. Come on. Ben is like, I am not gay. Let's go, let's go. Love it, Ben. Again, make sure you move those stop losses up, please. Alrighty. Please and thank you. Boom skis. Give us more, give us more, give us more. Uh let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Again, if you took this signal in Discord, guys, congratulations. You had two chances to get in, right? That was your signal multiple times, right? Again, entry between 185 and 180, right? It was a little bit frustrating, but it did it. It did it. Hooray! So just make sure you don't go red, please. Ready? So that was served on a plate, and there was lots of time to get spoons and eat. Anyways, 40-year-old. I haven't seen that. No, Bradley. Sounds familiar though, but I haven't seen it. Sounds like a Natalia. Exactly. Lion. Yep. Ben just wanted to prove that it's. Let's see if this is a retest of $2 though, and then we consolidate and go. Alrighty. But yeah, let's see. Yeah. Okay, sounds good, Brad. Sounds good. Sounds good. uh la 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 la. Love it. Okay, okay, I'll watch that. Okay, thank you, Brad. By the way, guys, so when I'm saying like when I say like like it's just a funny video, right? Like it's more of like when I say why are you gay, like it honest, I promise you that like there's nothing more to that than just watching a funny video. Because it's like that in that culture, right? So like it's just funny in that sense. Like there's nothing negative about it. Um, right? Like zero, like zero, zero, zero. You know, I promise, promise, promise. Yeah, yeah, no, exactly. Like honestly, it's just comedy. Because it's the way that like it's just funny. Exactly. It's just the way that someone is attacking somebody else. Yogi, it's just the way that somebody is attacking somebody else, like aggressively, like telling anyways. Hopefully that makes sense. uh yeah. Let's go, Yogi. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Monies, AJ, monies. Monies, 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 monies. What about the other one? Love it. JR. Yeah. Yeah, maybe just a retest of the 9 or retest of this little breakout we had, right? So what BENF needs to do now is create higher lows and then go from there. Palantir failed at $40 for now, it seems. I think it doesn't help though that the S&P is about to go red for the day. That's a pretty big disaster for SPY there. To be gapping up like that and end up getting slapped is pretty nasty. So yeah, let's see if Ben F can retest, right? So if you look to the left hand side, you can see. Let me just put some circles here, so it's a bit more visible. So like this level was a problem, right? So this range, like all of this range, seemed like it was a problem. So usually we come back and retest that range. So it would be nice if Ben can stay above this level. If it doesn't, then okay, cool. Maybe we go back a little bit lower, but it needs to stay above that zone though. Already, yeah. PEV back to 82. I know someone was asking for if it was going to come back to 82. Well, there's your 82, right? So double bottom, higher low, demand zone, blah blah blah, right? It held and came back up. So very nice. And SPY just looks like uh at once. Not true, Jimmy. Not true. It's what they've done is they've done a split. That's the problem with Ben. Um, they've done a split. So if you go back, they did a split right there, April 18th. So the stock has actually never been to $122. It's just a split. Right? Good consolidation and pop. Good consolidation. So let's see if Ben can find it in its heart to stay above. But again, from demand to supply, pretty damn nice, right? So yeah, it's trying to hold that zone. Trying. Come on, Ben, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Brad, I'm not gonna answer your questions anymore because I'm gonna end up in jail. uh, no, thank you. No questions about Canada. Leave Canada alone. Canada is the best. Is there another market news? I don't think so. I think the main concern for now is all of the stuff that's happening in Lebanon, Israel and whatnot. No, I think if they're gonna attack, probably this weekend, right, or something like that. So I think the market might have issues with that. Unbelievable. Yep. Come on now, let's do something. Uh, Another province, Jaspreet? You should probably should. Um, yeah, I think you live in the worst province in yeah, Alberta would be good for you. Yeah. I think where you live, that's where everybody goes because it's the big city, la la, right? Meh. It's like somebody moving to to California. Well, okay, that's different because California is maybe nice actually. But yeah, I'm roasting. Anyways, what did Grim say? Uh, uh, unbelievable. You guys are so mean. Anyways, anyways, no, exactly. Not nice for your wallet. Yeah. Come on, Ben. It's now or never. Bounce up the 50, please. So that little orange line we were failing at last time, it needs to stay above it. Otherwise, it's gonna be a bis time. Martin, sounds good. In the mountains, Jaspreet. In the mountains. In the mountains. Uh, what is that? Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Mm. Money moving. Mm. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Pretty please. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, like, what more do you want? What more do you want? Do you want Virus to get naked and thrust on YouTube live? You know? Like, what more do you want? Smash a like, hit that subscribe. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us in Discord, guys. Come join us. Alrighty? Grave says, yes, I do. Once you become a lifetime member, Grave, boom skis. Virus is going to be thrusting. Get dancing, please. So yeah, click the link at the bottom of the chat if you're not a member yet, guys. And come join us. Alrighty. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Discord community legend or goats. Come join us. Ready? So again, if you took this signal this morning, you made your membership money back. Right? You made your monies back. So there you go. Or if you took the swing from last night, you made your monies back. Yeah. So it looks like we're really fighting to stay above that 50 EMA, guys. That little golden orange line, right? No, no, no. Virus likes doing the helicopter. Yeah. So it's really trying to hold above that orange line. Let's see if we can bounce though. Why is it this such a slow mover? Because nothing else is really moving. So our only hope today is Ben. Save us. Save us, Ben. What's ADTX doing? Dipping? Yeah, like a tomato rock. From the supply zone to Diddy's house. Just like the S&P. Board is kind of curling, but $6 is still resistance. Okay, back to Ben. Come on, Ben. Lead us into the weekend. Okay, I see. Virus is like, you're still in? uh, uh, he actually did that, Grim, on TV. Oh my goodness! I know. I wish YouTube had gifts. Damn, that would be Virus for sure. Virus, go look in Stock General. That's you on TV. Anyways, that's wild. That someone did that on TV. Yeah, Ford is getting slapped. Slapped. That's why I think that stock is pretty skeptical. Uh, 05. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So let's see if we can. As long as Ben keeps closing above that 200, though, there's always going to be a chance. But it's better off like scalping multiple times than just sitting there and waiting. Funny. 202. Yeah, especially going into the weekend. Like if Israel does something, then the market's gonna be gapping down on Monday, and everything is gonna go with it. So, um, if I post a swing today, guys, it's not gonna be options. It's gonna be a small cap most likely. So, but yeah, we'll see. We shall see. You know. Unless we sell off nicely and then like you have some of these names sitting at really good prices and then maybe, but yeah, yeah. Is it actually? It's a big gummy worm. Ah, sure. Sure. Come on, Ben. You can do this. That orange line is acting like a beauty, isn't it, guys? Right? This line would not let us pass earlier. Look at that, right? Like we could not break above that orange line earlier, right? All of a sudden we break above the orange line, and now it's like, oh, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna hold you up, right? This is why these moving averages are important, right? Because you can watch them keep you down and hold you up. You know, there goes 205, 206. Love it. Let's go, Ben. Our only hope into the weekend. Come on now. 206. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Magnifique. Anyways, we still have that hit at supply zone though. There we go, guys. Beautiful. Very, very. So we'll see. We'll see how this thing performs. If we can maintain just higher lows and keep doing what it's doing, then that's nice. You know? Let's go, Ben. 209. Get back above 210. Go, 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 go. If you're still in Ben, type in yes in the chat. There goes 210. Come on, Ben. 211 coming once, coming twice. And okay, sounds good. Yeah. Again, beautiful technical chart is just really slow, right? Really, really slow. So make sure you're managing your position accordingly. Because if the volume doesn't kick in soon, I think people are gonna say, "Oh, but time to sell off," right? So just make sure you're for the second scalp. Let's go. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. Love it. Yeah, names like this are nice to scalp. Stop rising. I sold my van. That sounds highly suspicious, Grim. Make sure your wife doesn't see that. Anyways, yeah. So I like the whole idea of scalping it just because it's going up and down like this anyways. Like look at this. We're back to $2 already, right? So I like the scalpy instead of sitting there. Unless you got in at $1.80 and then you just have a stop loss somewhere below this range, then that's fine. But if you're buying late, then you need to scalp it. You know. La, 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 la. Yeah, that supply zone is not our friend today, is it? Not our friend. There we go. Can I look at CNXP? Of course. What's your position? What's your position, Kobe? Are you looking for an entry? Are you in it already? If you are, what's your entry price? Let me know. I'll take a look. Is that the S&P? Stupid spy. Let me get rid of spy here. Don't want to see spy's face again. You're looking for an entry? Okay. TNXP. Oh, you're in at $1.21. I hope not. You bought yesterday? Oh, you bought already at 12. Okay, 12:10. Okay, sounds good. Perfect. Thank you. Let me take a look. Waiting for my daily chart to load here. That's honestly not a bad entry, even though the stock looks super, super weak. It's not bad, right? All-time low for this thing is 1180. So if I were you in that same position, honestly, you might want to put a stop loss at break even, or you put a stop loss right below 1180. Because if it breaks below 1180, it's going to 10 cents. And if it goes below 10 cents, catch that thing at 5 cents, but yeah, that's not too bad, especially since you're buying at the bottom and it's green, so it's not bad at all. There should be a lot of upside to this thing if it wants to run, but just make sure you're protected on the way down, though. Alrighty, yeah, I know, right, Grim? It's like, oh my goodness, you bought at $1.20. Oh lordy, I hope not. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just protect that downside because it's a stock that's known for taking people to the corner and asking them to undress, you know. But yeah, seems like it has a history of that. But so yeah, just make sure you have those stop losses in there and you're okay. And then Ben said, hey guys, lots of supply. This is what I mean, right? So really important that if you scalp this thing, right, take those monies and move on. Alrighty. So yeah, hopefully we stay above the 200 still. Yeah. Buy the top, sell at the bottom. Let's hope not. Yeah, it looks like that thing is pushing for the highs there for you, actually, Kobe. Yeah. It's not a horrible chart. It's coming off the bottom, so that's good. And yeah, good. Good. You in at 105, Kevin? Of course. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, TNXP is it's like, hey Kobe, let's make monies together. AMPX. This was once like a beautiful SPAC, you know. It was at $10 and then straight to the abyss. You got in at 105. Nice, congratulations. Well done. Well done. Look, just by looking at the daily chart, you can see that your next resistance is closer to like 140. Yeah, so like right around that price, that's your next resistance. This thing went to 135. I wish you sold that thing at 135, honestly. So yeah, anyways, your next resistance is 140, and then it's 165, 170 after that, Kevin. So at least for now, though, don't let that thing go back to don't let it go back to 105, please. Put a stop loss somewhere, right? If I were you, I'd be watching 120, 115. It needs to stay above 115 here. And if it can, then that's fine. Moving to P. Why do you say that, Doche? PEV. Uh, why do you say money should be moving there? It's not really doing anything. It would potentially move there if that thing broke above 84 cents, 85 cents. That I would say yes. JBDI. So like if you break above the view up or you break above resistance, then yeah. You're in at 109. Okay, so you're slightly green in that position. The low of the day is 106. So Yang, you already have a level that you're not allowed to go below. Alrighty, if you go, don't let this thing go below 106. So you could put a stop loss at break even if you want to. Is Tesla actually breaking above highs of the day 250? Oh wow, damn, yeah. Look at that beautiful double top for Tesla though. Beautiful. Where's Shamir? Are you still in that position? You needed Tesla to go up, right? Are you happy? Yeah, it looks like a little double top there, of course. But that's really nice. Tesla loves doing well when the market isn't doing well for some reason. Uh, you guys are wild. So there goes. You're still there. Okay. Are you green though? Like nice and green. Yeah. So double top for now in Tesla. But if anything can break a double top, it's Tesla. So if anything can go to the abyss, it's also Tesla. Yeah. Let's go, Yogi. Monies. Trading these MU options for 20-cent gains are easy today. Let's go. Well done. Yeah, MU looks nice. I think MU would have cooked today, Yogi, if it wasn't for the S&P just going to the abyss. So that was a good yeah. Yeah, that was a good swing for us. Just the markets decided that they wanted to hold us back, you know. 120. Okay. Thank you, Yogi. Teamwork for sure. Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Whenever I'm looking for, like, I'm gonna send you guys a signal, I always like, let me DM Virus real quick. Let the options goat confirm. Okay, let me see here. Uh, yeah, those calls, monies. Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work, guys. We want each other to succeed. Everybody. So we work together. You know. Yes, yes. Yeah, Tesla's trying though, trying to get back up there. I know. uh, I was stressing. I didn't want Dan and Virus to show up at my door. Say, where is our monies? Uh, yeah, where is our monies? Yeah. No, I don't think there'll be any option swings tonight, though. I want to enjoy my weekend in peace. you know? Anyways, also, if Israel wants to attack somebody, I don't want it to be, uh, done for the day, aiming for 10% and made 15%. Very good. Option channel work rocks. Let's go, Laura. Congratulations. Well done. Congrats. Yeah. Well, yeah, we need to do another options call at some point, guys. I wanted to do a class this weekend, but I just haven't gotten around to making up a schedule. So maybe that's something that I should. I'll do that this afternoon. At least tell you guys if I'm gonna do one this weekend tomorrow. Already. At least set up something. If there was a more important class that you guys, what would you guys want to talk about? We might just do a general Q&A, like tomorrow, and then we can set up some classes going forward. We need to set up an options class, a dividend class, a technical analysis chart class. Uh, we need to set up. There's so many classes we need to set up. But yeah, like at least once a month we need to do a class together, right? Twice a month maybe, but it's not going to be every weekend though. Not every weekend. At that point, just become a gold member and ask for help. But yeah. Oh, it is Rob. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Bookmap. Rob really likes it. Robert, he really likes it. So, an options class, yeah. Yep. We did an options class not long ago, and it wasn't recorded. So, yeah, we might need to do one again. And I just haven't had the time to do it on my own and record it for you guys. Um, all the notes were there. Virus. Become a gold member if Tesla put at if where does Tesla need to go to, Shamir, for you to become a gold member? I don't know. Um, uh, you can if it stays above 180. You can if it stays above 180 blister. But yeah, I don't like when the stock is constantly testing the bottom. Don't like when it's just going there constantly. So yeah, again, I mean, I think you guys underestimate the value of like investing in yourself. I'm not kidding, right? Like I'm literally seeing members that have been struggling, and they're like, and we do a few classes, right? They take their time, they're learning, they're putting the effort in, and and they're just cooking now, right? Like and you just use that knowledge for the rest forever, right? And then I see people that like lose tens of thousands of dollars, and yeah, yeah. Anyways, your thoughts and process and timing when entering a trade, order size and stuff. Yeah. We can do stuff like that. Yeah, we can do stuff like that. Yeah, again, Tesla just has resistance at 250, so just be don't let $1 stop you from greatness, though, right, Shamir? Don't let $1 be the difference between 251 and 240 and the abyss. So you need help big time random stuff again? Become a gold member. Um, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. When you see some of the red names in Discord cooking, ask yourself why those guys are cooking, because they're putting in the work. You know, you should retire. Who's retiring? Do I even work? I'm kidding. Anyways, uh, Shamir, yeah, yes. Good comeback though for you. Really good comeback. You should be very happy, right? Because Tesla was looking like. Anyways, but now though it's still sitting there and it's trying to break out. So hopefully it does break out for you. But yeah. Wait, what are those? Oh, the T. Bottom left. You were? Oh my goodness, Shamir. You were down $4,000. I'm telling you, like people lose an impressive amount of money before they ask for help. Like, yeah, like seriously, right? Virus, like, you know, Jericho reached out to myself and Rob, and he's like, hey, like I've really been struggling. Again, Shamir, go read the testimonial in the testimonial channel, right? I've been struggling. Like I'm struggling. I lost my job, and I really need to make this work. I'm gonna become a lifetime member. Can you guys help me? And you know, and Rob and I spent like a few hours with him, and like we went over like a whole bunch of stuff. And Jericho's been cooking, right, with the help of all the other members as well, like Virus and everybody else. Right? Jericho has been on fire, right? I don't know what to tell you. So again, yeah, sometimes you just need to invest in yourself. Right? The one thing that will never fail you is like a self education, right? So yeah. Anyway, I showed you guys a screenshot earlier, right? Like we have a lot of members that will reach out to us. Like this isn't even the bad one, I don't think, right? No, maybe yeah. I think there's another one, right? Like people will lose a whole lot of monies in stocks like this and then reach out. Like, okay, like, well, what can we do now? Like, what do you want us to do now? Right? All the monies has gone skis. Minus 80%, minus 97, minus 83, minus 98, minus 99, minus 90, minus $20,000. Maybe that doesn't help, right? Maybe the percentage doesn't help. But like you're down $20,000, guys. Down $6,000. Down five. right? Down 6, down 5, right? So like some people will lose this amount of money and then say, hey Blaze, I need help, right? Minus 10. You know what I mean? Like I please quit showing my account, Blaze. It's not Yogi's account, by the way. Right? So like and honestly sometimes like they're very, very, very like minor mistakes, right? Most of the time in the market, it's just like the very small mistakes that someone needs to fix. You know, SOBR is halted up, by the way. I think it's the split, right? SOBR. I think so. Palantir is pushing back up again. That stock is just a monster, an absolute monster. I'm typing in Palantir when I want to type SOBR. I want to pull up SOBR just because I know they've done a split, right? So you never know with these stocks, you know. They split and volume kicks in and then boom skis, you know. So yep. SOBR. Uh for area. Hmm. I like that a lot, Yogi. I like that a lot. A lot, a lot. A lot, a lot. Do. I like it. I like it. I like it. The spread is not so good, yeah, because the volume is 60,000 shares. You want to be very careful. Now people have this at Discord and as a resource, which I did honestly, Dan. You know, like Rob and I talk about that quite often. Um, I mean, same thing for people like you and Virus and Yogi, and the list goes on and on. You know, I think that the list of people that we have in Discord as a community, amazing. Because when I was trading, like if we go back to like I don't know 20, anyways, don't remember, right? If we go back like like 5-10 years ago, like like everybody's kind of trading on their own, and if you need some help, you go on stock twits, maybe you go on Twitter, and you get scammed. Like we have some amazing people, and we have all the right resources. We definitely paid the tuition. We definitely paid the tuition, so yeah, like we have an amazing group of people, the right education. um Whether you're looking for the right tools, the algo is very nice, right? You never really miss the news, like stuff like that. um Yep, Dan, same, right? Yep. Exactly, Paul. Exactly. Like everybody just scams all over the place. It's not a real place with real people, JR. Yep. Like we've all lost a lot of monies. Like if you go back a few years, we've lost a lot of monies. I think we're evolving, and we'll like as time goes on, we learn, and the technology gets better, the tools get better. So like we're definitely getting better. But yeah. So if you're just starting out now, and you can take the time and really learn, you're gonna do really well. You're gonna do really, really well, because there's actually, like that whole statement that 90% of people lose in the market. There's a reason for that. I also think it's because most people like trade based on like it's a lot of emotional trading. It's a lot of guesswork, right? I think like we can do a lot better than that. We can do a lot better than that. So Ty, yeah. Yeah, the spread on this thing is a bit ridiculous, so be careful, please. You're done for the day, Henrik? Let's go. Congratulations. PEV, well done. Oof. Look at that pop. You must have bought a whole bunch of shares. When I embraced the stop loss. Yeah. Let's go, Dan. Absolutely. I yeah, just just like minimizing those losses sometimes. I don't think people quite see like understand how important that is. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Hmm. Okay. Uh, Unix. Okay. BENF finally went to the abyss, guys. Right? We can only fool around for so long. If a stock is going to keep coming down, we don't really pay attention to it. So it is what it is, right? Take your monies and move on. It's Friday, right? Tesla is pushing that 250. It seems. Um, Amazing, Natalia. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Right? Natalia is another member that came from a different community, and she was just frustrated, right? And her frustration was that she paid all this monies, right? Like again, however much, right? Thousands of dollars, right? And people are gonna send you like recorded videos and say, hey, okay, this is what you paid for, right? And she just wasn't learning or getting the right help, right? Um, and Natalia was like, you know what, I'm going to become a gold member, right? And when I tell you, Natalia has been doing a lot better, right? That's what happens when you invest in yourself and you're willing to learn and you put in the work, right? So yeah, Shankar, EVGR has been a nice monster. Let's go, Jericho. It's the weekend. It's already Saturday for you, so you can sleep in tomorrow. uh Close to the supply zone though, Grim? Okay. Let me go back if I can find it. There goes Tesla. Tesla just broke about 250. Come on. Give us that 251. We're 40, 70 cents away, guys. We're about Shamir is about to become a gold member. Shamir, you're very lucky. That thing was 60 cents away. Tesla is like, come on, go, 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 go. Come on, Tesla. Send it. Yeah, you should be getting really close to the monies though. If nothing else, again, even if you don't become a gold member, it's nice that you're coming back. Right? So that's good. Uh, SOBR. Look at SOBR go, guys. This is why we wanted to watch this thing, right? So that thing is definitely cooking there. Woof, definitely cooking. 620. Let's see. Is it halted? Oh, it's actually halted up. Let's go. Yeah, that's a good comeback. Just don't let it go back to the abyss, please. Right? You're very welcome, Natalia. Teamwork, right? Teamwork, teamwork. We're here to help each other out. Tesla, nice pop. Ooh, Tesla is 40 cents away. Oh yeah, look at that. Come on, give us 30 cents. Again, don't go back to the abyss, please, Shamir. Yeah. La, 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 la. And fix them? Yeah. Exactly, Nitro. Exactly. Exactly. There it goes, 65. Uh, okay. Yeah, maybe we should just do a Discord class, but a Q&A this weekend, guys. Um, if you're interested, let me know. Alrighty. So when we do these calls, by the way, they're for legend, goats, and lifetime members only. So um, Yeah. Anyways, so let me know in the chat if you're interested. We can just do like an hour Q&A or something, so then you can ask whatever questions you may have. Alrighty, and then going forward, we will actually schedule like, okay, this day we're going to talk about technical analysis. This day we're going to talk about split, dividends. We're going to talk about options, blah blah blah. But then you guys have to come with the questions, though, right? So, like if we do options, like obviously I will come with stuff that I want to talk about. Dividend, same thing, right? Technical analysis, same thing. Like I will come with like, hey, this is kind of how we're gonna move forward with this. But when it comes to like a Q&A, you guys have to come with like your own questions. And then, yeah, then you guys can just ask whatever you want. There goes PEV. Nice. Very, very nice. 92 cents. Oof. 166. Yeah, screen how to set up screeners. There's a video somewhere that we've done on how to set up screeners, but yeah. I'm going to sign up again for a different X. Yeah, if you want to sign up for TradingView, there's a link in the description. But I can let me see if I can find one. Should be one somewhere here. Uh, la, 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 la. I need to delete some of these links. Okay, so this is the link if you want to sign up for TradingView. I don't know if I think it gives you a discount. That's the link at the bottom there. Ryan, are you in this one? You in this one? Okay. 93 cents. Let's go, Ryan. Make monies, please. Again, so just be mindful though. Anytime it gets close to 95, it's been struggling. It is at the highs of the day, and it's a double top at 93. So just make sure you're ready to exit the building through the window if it starts to fail. Alrighty, 93 resistance there, double tops. And then SOBR still halted up, guys. So let's see what happens when this thing gets unhalted. But again, honestly, like just the free version works if and that's what I usually recommend. Like just start with the free version and then go from there. Right. Then if you need multiple charts, multiple screens, then maybe okay, fine. But yeah, I agree, Yogi. Always start small because I see some people get like the $50 monthly membership for TradingView. Like, oh, that's a lot of monies. That monies could be getting you something else, you know. But again, if you need that stuff though, then that makes a lot of sense. Like the alerts, right? So like sometimes you need to pay for it to get the alerts, and those alerts can be really important, right? Just set an alert and say, okay, let me know when it gets to this price. Even the before Mullen, and that is true. Oh wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. That's pretty funny. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty funny. Come on, give us the on halt. Well done. Entry at 80 cents. Uh, point. Let's go, Grim. Come on. It was the best Friday you've ever had. Oh my days. Let's go. It's 3x my daily goal. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. What is that? $6,000, Grim? Let's go. Congratulations. Grim he is a criminal, isn't he? Let me get a loan. Let's go. Let's go. The plan. Beauty. But yeah. I completely forgot about that one, Rob. that was the potential other signal. Yeah, completely forgot, Rob. Yes. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Sharing is caring. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well done, Grim. Grim. Yeah, Grim is gonna quit his job at the end of the year, guys. So and then Grim is gonna be in Discord 24/7. You know, no sleep. We're gonna be ringing the bell, Mister Australia. Come on, wake up, wake up. The Aussie goat. You have the best hours for trading. I think Grim does too. I think he can go to work and then But the only problem is then he has to stay up late. Like now, it's like what 1 a.m. in the morning, 2 a.m. in the morning, maybe midnight, something like that. Hey Siri. Siri's like, I'm not talking to you. Martin, nice. Maybe potential weekend swings. Uh, yeah, yeah, and in the Tesh should have some pretty nice trading hours. Let's go, Graham. Well done. Congratulations. Very happy for you. And you make more money trading than at work. So you're finally going to switch soon, which is amazing. Amazing. Yogi, yeah, very very nice. Okay, sounds good. So Grim is gonna send us a swing. I'm glad I'm glad Grim is using that swing alert channel, guys. Amazing. Let me take a look at AMD quickly here. AMD looks like it's stalling at the top there, huh? Oof, that's a pretty nice run. Dang, that 69 would have been perfect, right? Let me look at the 4 hour. Ooh, 4 hour double tops AMD. Right at 69, huh? 69 to 70 is pretty nice spot for puts. Yeah, that's a nice little spot for puts. Let's see. Interesting. Let's see. Okay, there we go. It would have been nicer closer to like 169 though. It's already dropping like a tomato rock, right? Too bad we didn't see that earlier, right? Because that would have been nice right there. These are 4 hour candles, by the way, so that's a bit of a longer time frame, right? So closer to 169 would have been perfect. But maybe at the end of the day, though, maybe at the end of the day, we can look at this as a swing again already. If it pushes back up a bit and it's stalling, then we can say, oh, okay, cool. Like 169 to 170 seems to be a good area. SOBR still halted up. Wow, crazy. EVGO has been really nice actually. Very, very nice. EVGO. Very, very nice. Look at that beauty, guys. That we were talking about this thing yesterday because they got a $7 price target. That thing was going from $4 to $5 to $6. Now it's at $7. Right? An absolute gem of a stock. EV. La la la. Yeah, that would have been a really nice swing. By the way, for anybody that diamond had a PEV, again, 93 is a double top, right? Supply zone. How thick does that supply zone have to be, right? Like, look how thick that is. So, double top, sell off. Surprise! Not. Take your profits on Friday at resistance. Don't wait for don't wait for Christmas to come. Anyway, Shimei, you're still in that position, right? It's trying. And then S to the A to S to OBR still halted. It depends. It depends what you got in at for EVGO. It really depends, right? Also, make sure you look at the amount of cash those guys have in the bank because they might take advantage of that and say hello. Oh my goodness! I just saw the cat. Ah, funny. Waiting for the unholds? That's amazing. Go look at Stock General, guys. Natalia's trading, and the cat is over the over the computer. Like, what are you doing? Is it unhalted yet? Can you let me know when it's unhalted? The cat wants to make monies, guys, because the cat knows, once the unhalt hits, it's they're gonna make monies. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Yeah. The cat is like, oh, is it unhalted? No, it's still at 98. They go, oh my god. Look at that thing, guys. The cat is getting cat food, guys. Wow. 689, 690, 699. Oof. Oh my goodness. My goodness. No, not necessarily. SOBR is only running today because they did a split today, right? That's the only reason why we are watching this stock today because they did a split. Otherwise, I would not watch this thing at all, right? This stock was garbage yesterday. It's good today. Why? Because yesterday it was a 5 cent stock. Today it did a split and it crashed. So then it looks better because it has momentum. Or whenever they did the split, today, last night, yesterday, same, right? That thing is cooking though. SOBR, woof, on fire. 750. Damn, damn. $7.50. There we go. Monies. Congratulations, guys! If you played with this one, congrats. Right? From $3.87 to $7.50. This is why we always pay attention to these split names because you never know when the volume is going to kick in. And I've said this multiple times. When a stock splits, you don't have to get in, please. Right? So let me show you what I mean by that. So when a split is done, you do not have to get in. You want to know why? My mistake in saying that this stock did a split today, they did a split the previous day, right? So look at the price action after the split, right? When the stock does a split, you don't have to touch it because it doesn't have momentum. Leave it alone. Let it crash. And that's been the theme, right? So companies will do splits. So the theme is split, crash, pump, offering, right? So the only question is when are these guys going to do an offering? So always wait for the momentum, and when the momentum kicks in, then you make monies. Cool. But it's halted down now. Ready? Halted down. So there you go. Nice run. Tesla just keeps going back and forth. Tesla actually, you're gonna become a goat, Shamir. Tesla went to 251. So before the night strikes, before the clock strikes midnight, before the clock strikes midnight, uh, you better become a goat member already, because your target was there. La 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 la. IND. Yes, that's good. AMD is pushing back up a little bit. Yeah, trying to. Trying to. Yeah, were you not paying attention? My goodness. Did you not sell? Don't let that thing crash with you in there, please. Please, you've been saved, right? You've been saved on a Friday, so don't take that for granted. You have a pretty big position for a $4,000 position. You're slacking on it, so please be very careful. That's a lot of monies you're playing with in the option land, right? So, oh, you're out of work. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that's fair. That's fine, 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 fine. But that's still a lot of monies, though. So make sure you're not. No, I will find you. Yep. Look at Tesla now, right? There's your 251, right? And there's 249 now. Fire your boss. Yeah, look at it. Look at it drop. Did you not like? Yeah. Maybe like next time, if that 251 was supposed to get you to break even, maybe next time set a stop limit, right? Or a limit sell, right? Alrighty. Next time. Anyways, there goes the bounce of the VWAP, Ryan, for PEV. So it looks like it's trying to curl. So that VWAP is a really nice, little tool to use for support and resistance, right? VWAP. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Feeling. Come on, baby. Yeah, so it's still 93 cents though, resistance, Ryan. Nothing's changed. If you go from green to red on that thing, Ryan, I'm gonna fly to where you live and slap you. So that thing better give you a cup and handle like right now and break above 93. Right? It's not allowed to go below 94, 84, because if it does, done. You're in at 170 TOVX. Okay. TOVX. Or you just call them that. So they're sold out in the sense that they don't offer you anything. They might offer you YouTube benefits, but not Discord benefits. So Jose, if you want to join us in Discord, they have to be Discord community legend or goat. Alrighty. You're only down 10 cents for now, AA, right? So that's not too bad. And this morning, this thing was at 175 multiple times. Yeah, like it doesn't look horrible. Let me look at the daily chart here. It doesn't look too bad, right? But it just doesn't seem like it's doing very much. You know, it's a bit difficult. Yeah, just doesn't seem like it's doing very much here. EVGO looks amazing. My goodness, new highs of the day. Oof. I mean, if this stock can perform like this, how come Mullen can perform like this? It's because they got a $1 billion loan, right? Is anybody going to give Mullen a $1 billion loan? Yeah, an offering and sell the company to. Anyways, oh my goodness, Tesla, my days. Anyways, here comes 93 cents again, Ryan. Yeah, it's been halted for quite. It's on halted now. Unsalted, and it's dropping like a tomato, right? So locking those gains, move on, right? Well done, Joe. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yeah. In the books to approve. Okay. Yeah. uh, yeah. So SOBR, I'm surprised it hasn't halted down yet. Tesla is getting slapped. 248 now, right? 251 to 248. And yeah. Oof, Tesla. My goodness. The Tesla Oh my days. Tesla is volatile. Do, 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 do. Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Yeah, Shamir, that's frustrating, isn't it? Yeah, when it pushes like that though, and you're gonna leave, put a limit sell. At the very least, put a stop loss. Like if you're not paying attention to your phone on a big position, put a stop loss at least, so you know that okay, I'm down. If I was down this much, I'm only down 155 now. You know what? I don't want to go down more than 200 anymore, right? Okay, now I'm only down $50, right? Well, you know what? Now I don't want to go down more than $100. You have to manage the downside if you're not paying attention. Yeah, frustrating for sure though. Frustrating. And then PEV just keeps failing at 93. But yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yes. There goes 94. Ooh. Let's see. Maybe this is a nope. 93 broke above, but then crashed again. So looks like that level is an absolute hater. Okay, perfect. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, perfect. Yep. Sometimes again, just take your monies and move on. Anyways, 817 on the daily. Just keep sending it. Send it, Martin. I see what I know. Let's go. Hashtag confidence. Love it. Love it. SOBR is bouncing a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, no, for TOBX though, maybe just put a stop loss. I just put a stop loss somewhere, please. And maybe it's gonna rally next week, who knows? But just put a stop loss and then go from there. Tesla is still getting slapped. My goodness. I mean, Tesla should be able to bounce around this price, though, you would think, right? 247, 247 ish. Uh, ooh, love it. Money Melly says, I followed in the Tesla put both times. Thank you for the call out. I'm telling you, like, the options channel is a beautiful exercise in teamwork, Love it. Love it. That's amazing, right? I followed the Tesla puts and I made monies. Look at that. Boom skis. So love, 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 love the options channel. Let's go. Sometimes you just have to sometimes there's you go to the fridge, right? And you're like, ooh, I want to eat some apples, right? And then you're like, oh, okay, I want to eat a good apple. Oh, this apple is rotten. Oh, how come there's a rotten apple in the fridge? Let me throw this rotten apple out. Okay, now the fridge is clean again. Ah, yeah. Does that make any sense? It does to some people, So, anyways, moving on. Anyways, so sorry, Dave. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Look at those Tesla puts. Oof. Ooh, wee Tesla. Damn, congratulations on those Tesla puts. My goodness. Damn. You're selling three? Oof. Virus cooked on those Tesla puts. Shamir, that's another thing, right? Like when the go to, when some of these guys are getting Tesla puts, it's time to get out of those Tesla calls. And then 126%. Well done, virus. Monies. 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 We need to create another channel for like anyways, we already have that though. That's the options channel. But yeah, because for these swing plays, we have to wait till the end of the day. Like for these swing plays, we have to wait and wait and wait. Because I'm not gonna post a swing play in the middle, in the morning, in the middle, so it has to be at the end of the day, right? But sometimes we miss a lot of opportunities. Like we missed Palantir. Palantir was at $36. We wanted to send a signal for long for shares, but it was the morning, right? At the end of the day, that thing was already at $38, 37. So then we had to find something else, which, again, we found something else that was good, but Palantir would have been amazing, right? Anyways, Ryan and I had a one-on-one yesterday because he won the giveaway, and Ryan just hit his daily goal today, guys. Let's go! Come on, Ryan. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, sounds good, Natalia. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty, see you in after hours. Hashtag trend it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's a pretty nasty drop. That's nice monies on those puts. $800. Oksana just made $800 in those puts. Whew. Monies. Monies. $800 in those puts just like that, guys, right? Look at that. Whew, Tesla. Let the team cook. Congratulations. Well done. Yeah, let's see. Let's go, Virus. 126 and 170. Monies. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let that man thrust. La 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 la. There we go. What stock do I recommend, Brian? I would just keep that monies and over the weekend, um, one of those building that like has shiny lights in front of it with like the thrust emoji. Yeah, go into one of those buildings and spend it. No, I'm kidding, Brian. I'm good. I'm good. Hopefully, you're doing well as well. If you have $50, I would invest that $50 into education. Alrighty, find something that because asking what stock to put that in, I think you're better off using that money to get whatever type of education you can get. You know, and Tesla is still getting slapped. My goodness, look at that, Shamir. That's a frustrating one. I really hope you have a stop loss, something, right? Because that's pretty nasty. So yep. And again, for names like SOBR, guys, lock in those gains always, right? No catalyst, straight momentum. Don't just sit there and say, "Oh, but it's at $7. It has to go to $10, right?" No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. So make sure you lock in those monies, please. Uh, you're welcome, Brian. Welcome. Yeah, I, yeah. It doesn't benefit me in any way to not be honest. You know, your monies genuinely will like not change my life, but it might do something amazing for you, right? So uh, yeah, so it doesn't benefit me in any way, to not be honest. So yeah, keep watching the streams. Right, if you have any questions about the market, please ask, right? And there are a lot of people to help you out. Ready? A lot of people. Anyways, what time is it? Okay, sounds good. Whereas that's a lot of violence. Can you imagine? Shish. Tesla is just not stopping. What's the S&P doing? Like, is it selling off because the S&P is selling off? Well, I mean, the S&P did sell off, but the S&P is still green though, and it's still at like the 69. And SPY actually looks like a double bottom, Like we should have been looking for some calls maybe at that double bottom at 68. I'm sure Raven did. I'm sure Raven bought some calls at the very bottom there. Ooh, Oksana. Let's go. Well done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, wee. Amazing. Is it your birthday today, Oksana? Because that's a nice $1,200. Monies. Monies. Let's go, Raven. Yeah, let's see if they can break out. And Tesla just is about to break down again. Have a great weekend, Ryan. Good job hitting the daily goal and walking away. Alrighty. Oh, Tesla is gonna get slapped unless it wants to bounce at 245. Nasty. 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 Q. Okay. Come on, SPY. There it goes. Yeah. So I think anytime the S&P is coming off a double bottom like that, Raven, it tends to be a good thing. So tends to be. It's trying. Get back above 570, please. Please, please, please. Whereas that savage. uh la 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 la. Okay, perfect. Maybe push for highs today. Potentially, yeah. It does look beautiful though. My goodness, 750 double top, Martin. But that looks very, very nice. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it. Anybody planning on holding anything over the weekend? Anybody? Anybody? Anything over the weekend? Yeah, let me send these. Yeah, that's something that I really need to think about. Really, 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 really. Let's see. Okay. And then two. See what this looks like. Okay, perfect. Yogi, come on. Let me go look. Tesla's bouncing. So is the S&P. Beautiful, Yogi. Beautiful. Never doubt the S&P and a double bottom. Never doubt SPY and a beautiful double bottom and a double top. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Okay, let me go look at those MU calls again. As Tesla is bouncing off the demand zone. So 245, right? You know, it deserves a bounce at least, right? Beautiful, Yogi. Yeah, there you go. 69.69. Is it time to sell, Raven? At 69.69? Yeah, exactly, Kotam. Yeah, oil. Especially with like the stuff that's happening in the Middle East. Yeah. Nikolai, what happened? What happened? What happened? 69.69. PEV is bouncing again. Look at that VWAP, Brian. Interesting. 84 over and over. Maybe that thing will eventually break out. Taking its sweet, sweet time though. Sweet, sweet time. You're holding over, or you're holding your wife over the week. And then Yogi is holding MU calls. Oh, okay, I forgot the question. I asked the question and forgot about the question. You don't trust nothing else? That's fair, though. That is very fair. You haven't said maybe a Bitcoin breaks. Yogi, I've lost. Anyways, I'm gonna be nice to Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin will eventually. It's just a matter of time, you know. Eventually, but that's funny. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Hmm, very interesting, actually. Okay, sounds good. There goes that 69.69 failing. Back to 69. Now there's only instead of 269, there's only 169. I don't know what that means, but yeah. Uh, yeah. 91 again. Hmm. This thing might actually break out. Might actually break out. 92. Come on, send it, send it, send it, send it. Send it, send it. What's EVGO doing? Double top? Is it time for puts on EVGO? Is it time, virus? Friday, puts, offering overnight? Boomskis, Abyss? No, they just got a $1 billion loan. So I'm sure they're going to spend that monies on keeping the company afloat at least. What mean under the trend line? So what that means is like the so the little like purple red line you see, that's a downtrend, right? Um, so I'm not sure I understand your question actually, but again, either way, there's a lot of supply there, right? So that's the main concern, is that supply zone. Yeah, absolutely. uh, Unbelievable. Anyways, um, yeah, kind of feels like it's a matter of time before it breaks out, but will it actually do it and close above? How much time do we have? 10 minutes. Good. 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes, and then we can hop off and go back to ZG squads. Uh, Too funny. There's two trends. Oh, okay. Pivot going up. So the purple one is a downtrend, and then the up one is an uptrend. But so again, it's one of those things that's a bit confusing, right? But honestly, they're both resistance levels. So anytime you're tapping against a trend like that, it's resistance, and both of those kind of come across at the supply zone. So which is 93, right? So this thing needs to break and close above 93, and then send it to $1, which like it's really trying, right? Really, 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 really trying. So maybe if this candle can find a way, I know. Yeah. So really, really trying. There goes 96. Maybe now that it's broken above 93, it's gonna send it. There goes 98. Yep. All that thing had to do was break above that, and there it goes, right? All it had to do was close above 93, and then boom skis, it's gone. Look at that, right? There it goes. That's all it needed to do. Oh my days. 205% on that thing there. Sheesh. It's tapping a brand new supply zone at $1.10 though. PEV. Yeah. Woof. That thing said, let me cook, please. Let me cook, please. That's a pretty nice push. Pretty nice push. So congratulations, anybody that's holding that. Congratulations. Congratulations. It's been good, Yi. It's been good. Yeah, it's nice. A few nice scalps. I'm sure you saw those signals. A few nice scalpies. Profit taking on MU. What's that? Yeah, a few nice scalpies. Nothing crazy though. I think just being a Friday, but just it being a Friday. Let's go. Let's keep cooking in the swing channel, please. Let's keep cooking. I know you guys are waiting for like a swing that's not an options play. I just haven't seen anything that I like. And honestly, there hasn't been anything. All the momentum stocks that are cooking are names that show up, just on that specific day. So haven't seen anything that like hasn't had a rally yet that I like. So for now, yeah, we just wait. But now it's options. Let's go, Dan. Ooh, wee. 5. Let's go. Let's go. So Grip hit 7,500. and then Dan hit 5. Let's go, Dan. Well done. Dan almost doubled that daily goal. Almost. Monies. Look at these goats, guys. Just cooking. Just cooking. Monies. Hopefully for some of you guys that are struggling, you can look at these guys and say, you know what? I can get there someday. Right? It takes work. Right? Make no mistake, Dan has been slapped. And Dan has been trading for years and years and years and years and years. You know? Yeah. Like back in the day when like there was a sighting of Bigfoot in New York City. Yeah. Like like back in like 1988 or something like that. Yeah, that was Dan, running from Nashville to the New York before the market opened to. Put his order in. So yeah, it's been a long time. So but it just goes to show you that if you can put in the work, the monies will come, right? Just be patient and ask for help and learn, right? Doo-doo. Uh, Video schedule. Yeah, schedule. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's go. Monies. The S&P is almost back. Ooh, look at that beautiful double bottom and SPY. Double bottom, but it's done playing games. I hope it's done playing games then. Raven, yeah, that 570. Yeah, well done, Raven. That's a really good entry. Well done. Are you locking in the monies or are you just holding for now? It's a pretty nice push. Hopefully we're done playing games like you said though then. So all of this it's not crazy, it's possible, Mike. Yeah. Mike, I'm still waiting for the day that, my Edmonton guy will join, us in Discord. But I'm just gonna keep waiting, you know, just waiting. Just waiting. I'm kidding. Anyways, but yeah. No, yeah, Dan's daily goal is $3,000 a day, which is pretty impressive. Because Dan usually slaps that. Yeah. Manage the losses and keep them exactly that. Exactly. Potentially one of the most important things you can do in the market is manage those losses. Like one of the most important thing you can do in the market is manage those bad days. Right? Like we've seen people have an amazing week and then on Friday they lose it all. Right? We've seen people do well for like a whole month and then one day they get into something that doesn't, that like crashes and then they just hold it and it destroys the account. So SPY looks beautiful, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful, Raven. CHSN. Oof, my goodness, what the hell happened there? What happened? Are they getting bought out or something like that? What just happened there? What the hell just happened? I don't see any catalyst, but oh yeah, I'm not gonna. Those. Yeah, perfect. Anyways, yeah, PEV still looks nice, and the S&P also looks nice. Hopefully that's it though. Yeah, Shamir. Yeah, your mistake again. It's managing the position, right? If you're not paying attention to a pretty important position like that, you got to make sure you have a stop loss, right? At the very least, right? A limit or a stop loss, one of the two. Either one of those would have hit and saved you, right? It is what it is. Sometimes, like these lessons are pretty expensive, frustrating for you for sure, though. And obviously, nobody wants to see you lose monies, right? 1050. Hmm. Oh, 80% house monies. Let's go, virus. Let's go. So yeah, that $10 ish, 105, 110 resistance. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Looks like SOBR is curling on $5 here, and the S&P is still cooking to the VWAP. Raven, I think it's getting close to time to lock in those gains. Maybe soon, 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 Raven. Unless they're not quite. This isn't like golf where every shot makes someone happy. In here, we're all rooting for each other to make monies. Exactly, exactly, Yogi. Exactly, 100%. Yeah, exactly. Yep, yep, yep. Absolutely. And if someone isn't doing well, we roast them in a good way because we want them to do well. Ooh, here we go. Here we go, Yogi. Here it comes. 571 almost. Rest in peace, your spy pods. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Mm-mm-mm. Opening at 12? I don't think so. That would be crazy, huh? I don't think so though, because I don't see any news. So I'm not sure why it would be opening at $12. Raven is watching these calls like a hawk, Yeah, Raven close to like 570 is the level that I want to say we dip from, but who knows, right? Like dip from there, abyss, dip from there, abyss, but kind of around that same price. Hopefully not though. Hopefully it just breaks out and goes boom skis. But we'll see. Let's see. Let's see. It's showing a lot of strength, no weakness yet. So uh, that's funny. Mash your chart in Discord at the store. Yep, he's watching, ready to strike and exit. SOBR with a nice little pop, 50 cents. As soon as it hits 100%, it's like, yep, thank you, goodbye. Yeah, Raven has been cooking with. I feel like Raven is almost, and this is why like the community is beautiful, because I want to say like Raven is someone that is mainly focused on like the bottom feeds, like some of these smaller penny stocks, right? But Raven has a lot of experience in the markets and technical analysis and whatever else, right? And then Raven sees people like Virus cooking with the options, and he's like, you know what? Let me go cook over there too, and then he cooks over there, and then he just stays over there for a little bit, and then like I like the back and forth. I like the diversity. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Because now Raven just cooks with options. Just cooks, right? Less research, Just requires more knowledge. Yeah, Raven, you called me out to a T. Yeah, yeah. Amazing. I love it. Love it. Right. PLL. Let me take a look. PLL. Woof. 1170. Back to the highs again. Back to the highs again. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful virus. Uh, okay, perfect. We let's go. Let's go. Where has the time gone, guys? All I know is it's been a fantastic ride so far. I love you all to the moon and back. Let's go, Dan. Amazing. And like you say that, like honestly, 32 months. I don't know where I don't know where the time has gone. Dan, thank you very much. Love you. Thank you very much for all the support and everything else that you do. Alrighty. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Let's cook. My goodness. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 32 months of awesomeness, guys. Awesomeness. Let's go, Raven. Congratulations. That was a really good ride. Double bottoms to Spy. Spy loves them. All the way to the top. So now it looks like we're kind of stalling a little bit. I don't know if it's going to break out or if it's going to dip. I hope it breaks out. I hope it goes a lot higher, but I'm happy you made money still, Raven. Because our long positions would be happy if the S&P can just close above 570. That would be good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now my wife can, to go camping. Raven, please go to the woods, please. Please. No, they're called chicken of the woods virus. Chicken of the woods. They look when he made that dish though, they look amazing. They look amazing. Until you leave. Okay, we're leaving in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Raven has to go, guys. 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord, and then Raven can go to the woods before his wife comes hunts me. Obviously, we don't want that. So 5 more minutes, and then we're gonna hop off. Alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, I don't know what to tell you. If you're not a gold member yet and you're still struggling, don't know what to tell you either. If you're not a legend member and you're getting these signals, I definitely don't know what to tell you. If your name is Tesh, there's definitely no hope, But anyways, I'm kidding. And if your name is Shamir, before the chicken, does the noise at midnight, gold member. Otherwise, anyways, PLL looks nice. Virus, very nice. So for anybody that's scalping this, where's Alan? This would be a good name for Alan to scalp. Good stock to scalp. Beautiful. 1189. Amazing. Yeah, it looks like we're stalling there anyways, Raven, right? It's resistance. It might break at some point, but honestly, when it's stalling like that, and we knew this would be resistance, you just lock in 110%. It's really time to go, guys. It's really time to go. We have 3 minutes left because now that Dan is done making money and he's done being nice, You know, anyways, it's time to go soon. It's working though. It's working though, virus. There goes, woof. There it goes. Finally broke above 110. Uh, Sky X is a stock. Sky X. What is that? Interesting. Yeah. No, no, don't do it, Raven. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, wow. You should have done it. You should have done it. You should have done it. Right? So honestly, sometimes when the market just wants to do the same thing, you did. Oof. I say don't do it because you need to go. Your wife is gonna fight you. Stop following the charts. Just one? Okay. You better sell it for like 10% because your wife, for ice cream money along the way. And then you can say, hey, wife, hey, honey, this is why I had to stay longer, because I was making money to buy you some flowers. That's what you better do with this last position. Otherwise, your wife is going to slap you in the woods. So, yeah, SPY seems to be very predictable for now, huh? Like it's just going up and down here. Up to the down, to the up, to the down. So, yeah, if you're playing with same day expiration puts and calls and puts and calls, let's see. Uh, uh, easy monies, uh, $12 is broken. Oof! Oh my goodness, that stock looks amazing. That stock looks amazing, amazing, amazing. Oof! PLL, beautiful. And it's not stopping, virus, is it? That thing's gonna be at $20 at the end of the day, huh? On the February calls, $100, 100%. My goodness, virus called this one earlier today, guys. Right, right around $11. Now it's at $12. That thing doesn't have one red candle in it, virus. What the hell? That thing does not have one candle after retesting that $11 again. Not one. Damn. Unbelievable. Sheesh. Sheesh. Nancy Pelosi buy this thing or what? Do, 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 do. Yeah. 120. Stop. So. Okay, perfect. There you go. Perfect. Alrighty. Any last questions, guys, before we hop off? Oof. Uh, let's go, Raven. Congratulations. Yes, see, that's all you needed on that. That's all you needed. 33%. Oof, virus. 300%. Shish. Cooking. Have a wonderful weekend, Cheddar. Take care, Raven. Enjoy the woods. Ask Nancy Pelosi, what's gonna squeeze next week, please. And then tell her to take the S&P to 580. That would be nice. Let's go, Raven. Trend it. Trend it. Love it, Raven. Love it. Thank you very much. Yeah, we need to sign this agreement. Everybody that hits the daily goal, make it trend. Because I like this whole trend, but it's only Raven that's doing it. But anyways, Shamir, yeah, what's Tesla doing now? Tesla, 67 almost. Yeah, it's trying to come back. Hopefully, it does come back. If the S&P cooks, I'm sure Tesla is going to cook. But yeah, I don't know. Again, it's it's a lesson, but okay, there we go. Have a good weekend, Jay. It's been educational as always. Yeah, I'll try and do a class this weekend, everybody. Just a Q&A, so not a specific topic. And then going forward, we will find topics to talk about because we have a whole bunch. But just general Q&A for this weekend. I'll post the details in one of those channels to schedule the class already later today. Shavir, don't end up in jail. You lose monies and you end up in jail. Get that 250. Yeah. Much love, Virus. Congratulations. Keep cooking, please and thank you. Alrighty. See you in Discord. Your name is always funny too, Toot. Always that's at least that's how I always want to pronounce it. Have a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much. Alrighty. Bye, Shamir. See you in Discord. Much love, everybody. Much love. And okay, perfect. Have a great weekend as well, Jay. Bye, William. See you in Discord. Much love, all. Bye, guys. Bye. I don't see anything else that I'm looking at yet as a swing play, so it's gonna have to be a PLL. Still looks really good. Looks really, really good. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. Alrighty, again. Bye, everybody. Bye, Dan. Catch you in Discord. Bye, guys.
Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more. Hot trade, always set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking, trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire, blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump beware. Hot trade, for the thrill if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Get your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking. Trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire. Blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot